The next few weeks are critical for Oscar Pistorius. As his murder trial resumes Monday, his defense team will now try to repair its credibility and convince the court the man dubbed the Blade Runner made a tragic mistake.
He was screaming, he was crying, he was praying.
That was Pistorius, his friend and neighbor, testifying Monday how distraught Pistorius was the night Steenkamp died. He's one of nearly a dozen witnesses the defense is expected to call to bolster the track star's case. Pistorius is accused of murdering Steenkamp in his home on Valentine's Day of 2013. He admits to shooting her but has pleaded not guilty to premeditated murder, claiming he mistook his girlfriend for an intruder the night he fired 4 rounds of his handgun at the locked bathroom door of his home. The prosecution says Pistorius shot Steenkamp after an argument. Various neighbors have testified they heard shouting and a woman's blood-curdling screams the night she died. For weeks, state prosecutor Jerry Nell, known in South Africa as the Bulldog, has relentlessly grilled Pistorius, at times leaving the athlete sobbing and feeling sick.
You killed a person, that's what you did, isn't it?
I made a mistake.
You killed Riva Steenkamp, that's what you did.
I made a mistake.
Many courtroom observers say Nell's brutal cross-examination has seriously damaged Pistorius' credibility. Further undermining Pistorius' version of events, he's now dealing with allegations he took acting lessons ahead of his testimony, which he denies. As for the defense, it's trying to prove the crime scene was poorly handled and possibly contaminated by the police. They also say the high-pitched screams neighbors reported hearing actually belonged to Pistorius, not Steenkamp. According to South Africa's Eyewitness News, the defense will call a witness to testify Pistorius' screaming is high-pitched when he's nervous, and it will also call a psychologist to discuss the athlete's, quote, issues of vulnerability. If convicted of premeditated murder, Pistorius would face a minimum of 25 years in prison. South Africa does not have a jury system, meaning his fate rests in the hands of the judge. For Newsy, I'm Elizabeth Hagedorn, multiple sources, a broader view.